Bupa Health Insurance Australia app. The pros, the cons. Bupa Health Insurance Australia app is designed to make health insurance management straightforward and convenient. Many people assume it's only for checking policy documents, but the app allows you to submit claims, track reimbursements, manage premiums, and access wellness resources directly from your mobile device. On the pros side, the app provides fast access to all key policy information, including coverage limits, plan types, and beneficiary details. Claim submission is guided step by step, and you can upload receipts or supporting documents directly from your phone. Premium payments are simple to manage with recurring and one-time options. Push notifications keep you updated about claim progress, upcoming payments, and any policy changes. Users appreciate the clean interface and intuitive navigation, which makes the app easy to use for all experience levels. Wellness features and health tips are included, encouraging a proactive approach to health management. On the cons side, offline functionality is limited, requiring an internet connection for most features. Some users have reported slow loading times and accessing detailed claim histories. Advanced tools like coverage comparisons, cost estimators, or long-term health planning features are not available. In conclusion, the Bupa Health Insurance Australia app is a reliable and user-friendly tool for managing health coverage. While it lacks advanced planning features, it effectively handles claims, payments, and policy monitoring, keeping users informed and in control. For anyone looking for convenience in health insurance management, this app is a strong choice.